Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw in Arena Plus GCash. So let's start. This is tips, truly you will do it. So the first is go to the arenaplus.ph and log in your account. Okay, so you have to log in there. Tap on a stick icon and select withdraw. Then just choose Maya as your e-wallet. Enter your withdrawal amount and plus tick and terms and conditions. The number 5 is logging in your Maya number and password, so confirm the OTP. And then you have to wait for an SMS confirmation. When you do it, you can start withdrawing money from Arena Plus without any problem. As you can see, are 6 tips, very easy tips that you can start doing for withdraw the money there. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.